Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Bentley Continental GT versus the S63 AMG. Let's dive right into their performance. The Bentley Continental GT boasts a powerful W12 engine, delivering 650 horsepower for a truly grand touring experience. Meanwhile, the Mercedes-AMG S63 packs a formidable V8, pushing out 791 horsepower. Both luxury machines are incredibly quick, capable of hitting 60 miles per hour in less than 3.5 seconds, offering thrilling acceleration. Moving inside, both vehicles offer unparalleled luxury, but with distinct flavors. The Bentley Continental GT showcases exquisite, handcrafted interiors, featuring the finest leathers and polished wood veneers, creating an opulent, bespoke cabin. The S63 AMG, on the other hand, integrates cutting-edge technology with premium materials, offering a modern, high-tech luxury experience. Both cars ensure supreme comfort, making long journeys feel effortless and enjoyable for all occupants. When it comes to driving dynamics, these two cars offer different philosophies. The Bentley Continental GT prioritizes a smooth, refined grand touring experience, gliding effortlessly over roads. The S63 AMG, however, delivers a more engaging and aggressive, sport-focused drive, with sharper handling and a more visceral feel. In terms of cost, the Bentley typically starts at over $250,000, while the S63 AMG is generally around $180,000, reflecting their market positions. Ultimately, choosing between these two comes down to personal preference. The Bentley offers unparalleled luxury, bespoke customization, and a serene driving experience. The S63 AMG provides a blend of high performance, advanced technology, and a more dynamic, sporty feel. Both are incredible machines, but cater to slightly different desires. Before you go, make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers. Check the description for a link to these and other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.